The table below shows the distribution of marks scored by students in a test. Calculate the mean mark. So we have the table here showing the marks and the number of students that scored each mark. The question wants us to calculate the mean mark. The mean mark is given by the formula sigma fx divided by sigma f. That is the sum of fx divided by the sum of f, where x is the marks and f is the number of students. So we need to find the sum of fx and then the sum of f. Let's start. I'll draw a 3-column table. The marks in the first column, the marks are the x values, and the number of students in the second column, the number of students will be the f values. The third column will contain the fx values. When we add the number of students in the class together, we are going to get 20. The question told us that there are 20 students in the class. So it means that sigma f, or the sum of f, is 20. Let's find the fx values. The first x value is 1 and the f value is 2. So fx will be 1 times 2. 1 times 2 will give us 2. The next one will be 2 times 2, which will give us 4. The next one is 3 times 3, which will give us 9. The next one is 4 times 3, which will give us 12. The next one is 5 times 4, which is 20. The next one is 6 times 2, which is 12. The next one is 7 times 2, that will give us 14. The next one is 8 times 0, that is 0. The next one is 9 times 1, which is 9. And the last one is 10 times 1, which is 10. When we add the fx values together, we are going to have 92. So sigma fx, or the sum of fx, is 92. Our mean mark is equal to the sum of fx divided by the sum of f. We have found the sum of fx to be 92 and the sum of f to be 20. So sigma fx divided by sigma f is equal to 92 divided by 20. 92 divided by 20 is 4.6. So it means that the mean mark of the class is 4.6.